To sign Merry Christmas in BSL, let's first look at the sign for Merry. So, take the index finger and thumb on your dominant hand, curve it so it almost forms a smile, hold it in front of your mouth, and then move sideways twice. Merry. You can also use the sign for happy, which is two flat hands and your palms come together twice. Happy. And the sign for Christmas, take your fingers of your dominant hand, place them on the back of your other hand, and then pull your hand away, close your hand, and place it back on the back of your other hand. Christmas. 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 Let's put it together. Merry Christmas. And you can also use Happy Christmas.